Hey guys, Ricardo with Fasttek.com. Today we're going to add some color to the backside of our wheels on our 2020 Silverado 1500 by installing a set of MGP caliper covers. Now these covers are a great way to add some color behind your wheels without having to go through the process of having your factory calipers painted or powder coated. MGP's design has contours to show off the structure of the caliper, and these covers can be installed in a matter of minutes using the supplied brackets to hold them in place. They are also available in a few different colors and designs. Here I have for you the red covers with the Silverado logo. They are also available in yellow and gloss black with other GM licensed logos. Installing these is not difficult, but will require us to remove the wheels to get access to the factory caliper and get the brackets installed. Starting with the front calipers, we are going to remove the wheels. This will give us easier access to the factory calipers. For the front covers, line up the brackets with the rotor and slide the brackets over the factory caliper. Ensure the clip is seated in the correct location. Then remove the pre-installed retaining nuts so we can install the cover. Once the cover is in place, reinstall the retaining nuts and tighten them down. Check for clearance between the bracket and the rotor to prevent any unwanted noises. Then reinstall your wheels. Repeat the process on the other side. For the rear caliper covers, we will use the same process as the front, only with the smaller brackets. Line up the brackets with the rotor and slide them over the factory caliper. Remove the pre-installed retaining nuts and install the MGP caliper cover. With the cover in place, reinstall the retaining nut and tighten them in place. Repeat the process on the other side to complete the installation. And just like that, guys, the MGP caliper covers have added some color to the backside of our American off-road wheels. Now our calipers will stand out more with the bright red covers in place, and we didn't have to worry about breaking down anything to update the look. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.